and this breaks my heart. Oh no! I love me a good. Are you as guilty as me when it comes to watching videos on how to condense a makeup kit? Hello, that is so me. For those of you that are freelance makeup artists, or you're just a makeup lover that wants to shrink everything down, then this video is definitely going to be for you. Your bag and your bag is going to thank you later. You're welcome. Some of these links are affiliated. If you decide to use them, I want to thank you in advance, because every little help that I can get from you guys will absolutely help me for this channel. This condensing journey has taken me almost 4 or 5 days. It's very time consuming. So if you choose to do this, take your time. Do not rush yourself. But first, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you'll know the next time I'll be uploading my next video, and give me a thumbs up. I know that you guys are enjoying this type of content. I started with a carry-on suitcase. I wasn't happy because it was all over the place. I really wanted something that was portable, so I updated it to the backpack. This is my before, and hopefully this will look 100 times better than what it already looks like. I am wearing some gloves and I have some alcohol, 70%. So what I want to do first is I want to make sure everything is disinfected. I have some paper towel underneath, and I also have this silicone mat because I know this is gonna get messy real quick. These came with the 30mm spray bottles. We are gonna use this Makeup Forever. I believe this is the extra large size. I have 2, and also I got this FIXY medium size palette. I'm gonna start first by depotting the setting sprays because I think that is for me the easiest thing that I can do. So I'm gonna start with my Charlotte Tilbury. Next is gonna be the Finish Don't Sweat It. Then it's gonna be my MAC Prep and Prime and my DANESSA MYRICKS Dewy Forever Mist Hydrating Setting Spray. This was super easy to depot because this SENNA Brow Book palette is magnetic, so this was easy breezy. Here I am using the Busset Taxi container. This is absolutely amazing to condense your false lashes, and you know me, I'm gonna label everything. I wanted to try this new Ardell Naked Lashes for 421. The 421 chef kiss. Here I am depotting my Makeup Forever primers. Both of these have silicone, and I wanted to add an extra one, which is the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer, which is silicone free. I actually went ahead for this BIOSSANCE brand just because I wanted to make sure that it really targets everyone's skin, whether you're sensitive, and it was fragrance free. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I don't even want to depot her, which I should, but she's so adorable. I made already some labels for the names, and I'm gonna end up using these little tubes instead of these. I don't know, I think I'm just gonna try this and see how it goes. Now for this, I really like to squeeze, so then when I'm adding the face cream, I let go of it and then, and I just like to tap it. I really have to give a shout out to Julie Ruby. I will leave her video down below because this is super hard. So make sure you grab a good pair of scissors, and then you're gonna stick right in the center. You're just gonna apply pressure against the stopper, and you're gonna go back and forth slowly, because as you guys can see, I did so many times that these stoppers flew up on the air, just made a mess. So just be very gentle, that's all I can say. This was a limited edition by JACLYN Cosmetics, our holiday collection from last year. These are absolutely stunning. These are like a wet eyeshadow topper that is beautiful by itself or on top of an eyeshadow. I'm gonna start doing my JACLYN Hill brightening powders, and this breaks my heart. While that's heating up, I have some tools, my artist kit company spatula with a magnetic, my regular one. I got some scissors. I got this little, it's like a butter scraper. I wanted to use it because it's a little bit sharp, so maybe that can help me take it out. And I know I use this to remove the back of the sticker or maybe the extra excess of the glue. I have my alcohol right here. So scared to break it. Oh my god, this actually fits perfect. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh god, it burns like a mother effer. Excuse my French. I'm just gonna leave it here to cool off. I'm gonna leave it like this. Okay, this is coming off pretty quick and I like it. Beautiful. The palette that I'm gonna use is the Makeup Forever one. So I'm just gonna let it cool off on the side. Oh no! I poked you. I did so good. Gentle. Also, by the way, if you can remove the stickers from the back of your packaging, please save them and put them on the back because it just makes life so much easier when it comes to knowing the names of these powders. I probably don't need all of these, but the hoarder that I am, I'm probably gonna at one point in my life have to like condense this to even more shades. This Morphe palette was no joke when it comes to depotting it. It was really hard, so I ended up moving on to the AT complexion palette that comes with blushes. It came out so much easier, as you guys can see. The other one, I ended up breaking some of these face highlighters, but it's okay because I'm going to show you the next one. And these are the JACLYN Cosmetics pressed baked highlighters, which are stunning. Moving on to eyeshadows, I'm going to start first with the matte shades. This is a Morphe 35XO. This was super easy to depot because it's a cardboard packaging. I wanted to make sure that I spray some alcohol to remove the remaining of the glue and use this little adhesive stickers just to make sure it goes onto my palette. And also I chose a Viseart Petite Neutral eyeshadow. This is absolutely pigmented and beautiful, and I'm just here just swatching just to make sure that I have a nice range of colors. In this particular empty palette, I just want to add a few more shimmer eyeshadows that I already had added from the Morphe JACLYN OG palette, as well as her eyeshadow toppers, and only these three eyeshadows that I really needed to get it for some reason. This is the part where the label maker is my friend because everything is coming all together. And now we're gonna finish with Miss DANESSA MYRICKS Vision Cream Foundation Cover Kit. This is in the shade Warm. This already came with a little packaging, but I wanted to use my Kitco little tubes, squeezy tubes, which I think is gonna make it much easier and much more hygienic. I love me a good reveal. This is what my makeup kit looks inside. It's giving organized, it's giving neatness, it's giving flowing, easy breezy, beautiful makeup kit. I'm obsessed with it. If you guys want to see my latest makeup artist haul, which I spent over $400, you could tell, I will definitely leave a link down below. There are some things I already had depotted earlier because I did a family trip I had earlier this year, so this is why some of these things you don't see me depotting on this video. All the links of everything that I've used, leave a link down below. If you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. I would love for you to give me some makeup emojis so I know that you made it to the end. And also share down below what are your favorite condensing products that you love, so I learn and everybody else, we're here a community, we all can learn about each other. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until the next time, I will see you on my next video. Mwah. Besitos. Bye. But first, be sure to subscribe. But first, I can't say it. But first, be sure to subscribe to that. Damn. But first, be sure to notify. Oh my god. But first, be sure.